Hello everyone, my name is Alfred Kahungorihi. I'm a student of English Department Nusa Tenggara University. Today I would like to deliver my speech with the title Social Media Empowering or Controlling Our Lives. First, social media can empower us. Platforms like Twitter and Instagram allow people to share their ideas and advocate for change. Movements like #MeToo and climate strikes show how social media can give a voice to those who are often unheard. Social media also helps us connect with others and learn new things, breaking down geographical barriers and fostering community. However, social media can be controlling. Algorithms often lock us into echo chambers, limiting our perspective. This can lead to the spread of misinformation and distorted view of reality. Additionally, social media can negatively impact our mental health. The pressure to present a perfect image and fear of missing out can increase anxiety and depression. In conclusion, social media has the power to empower us but can also control our thought and behaviors. We must use it wisely, embracing its benefits while being aware of its downsides. I guess that's it. Thank you.